What's up guys? Another day, another house. So we are here in Villa Monte Maria subdivision located in Catalunan Grande, Davao City. So this subdivision is one of the high-end subdivision here in Catalunan Grande, Davao City. So before ko kayo ay tour, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the notification bell for more updates for my video. So let's go! Let's quick a tour! So now we take a look at this brand new house with a lot area of 120 square meter with a floor area of 110 square meter. 4 bedroom, 3 toilet and bath in 1 car garage park. So let's go. Let's quick a tour. Now this is your car garage park, so kasyang-kasya po dito yung Fortuner or yung Navara na sasakyan. Now this is the living area with 4 drop lights and cube lights na ginamitan ng PVC panel. Sobrang lawak ng living area. And then, meron tayong isang bedroom dito sa baba at saka common toilet and bath. The tiles will be 60 by 60 granite. Now this is the kitchen area. Yung kitchen area natin, built-in na po yung modular kitchen natin. Pre na po tong ridge hoods, may lutuanan na din. And then, ang napakaganda kasi meron tayong mini bar counter. Yan. Pati sa baba, built-in na din siya. Sobrang ganda ng kitchen area natin kasi sobrang lawak po. And then, meron din tayong entry point to lanai area. ito po yung service area natin. Sobrang lawak ng service area natin. Then, meron din siyang rain collector para magamit natin yung tubig ng ulan pang dilig ng mga halaman po. Now, andito tayo ngayon sa master bedroom in the second floor area. Maganda po yung ceiling niya kasi ginamitan siya ng PVC panel. And then with 4 drop lights of lights. And then with built-in cabinet also. And then sa master bedroom with toilet and bath na rin. So with tiles, 60 by 60 granite tiles. So now, this is the second bedroom. Ito, with built-in cabinet also. Ganito po. And then, puntahan naman natin yung pangatlong bedroom. This is the third bedroom. Yeah. With built-in also the cabinet. And then, nasa gitna yung common toilet and bath dito sa second floor. Ito. Sobrang ganda ng toilet and bath nila. Yan, ang pagkagawa. Naka-tiles siya ng granite, wall up to ceiling. So, yung ceiling niya kay with PVC na. Ginamitan siya ng PVC panel. So, sa second floor, meron din tayong mini living area. This is the mini living area. Meron tayong entry point dito sa may veranda.
Bye.